In the next few minutes, I am going to show you a demo of Video Tours 360 and how you can combine this very software with our training to kickstart a successful VR agency and help businesses all over the globe to deliver interactive experiences to their customers at home, especially during this period where customers don't want to leave their homes. It's the first ever virtual tour builder with cutting-edge features that you can't find anywhere else on the planet. I'm talking about built-in live video chat, just like the one you do on Zoom. So now, not only can you give your audience and prospects a virtual tour of your store, your rental property, hotel, restaurant, spa, gym, or any other place, you can also engage with them and answer any questions that they may have by talking to them in real time and, of course, closing that sale. Another mind-blowing feature is a live e-commerce store. Yes, now your visitors will not just see your merchandise, they can even place the order right inside your 360 video tours. Simply integrate your PayPal, your Stripe, or Paystack and process the payment in seconds. You could also use the URL option to link to other payment platforms and affiliate programs to sell affiliate products right inside your tour. Gamification is yet another remarkable feature. There's no better way to engage and convert visitors into paying customers, of course, than by rewarding them for taking certain actions that you want. You can now unlock coupons, gifts, discounts, and freebies for your visitors while they take the tour. For example, your visitors can unlock a 20% discount coupon if they open a specified number of hotspots. We also have an inbuilt AI machine to analyze the behavioral patterns of your visitors. Learn what part of the tour they like and show that part first to the new visitors. Now, how cool is that? I bet you love it. You can add different types of hotspots on your tour, like an info box, image, video, file download, audio, contact widget, links, and you can also navigate from scene to scene or from room to room. You can add background music for an ambient sound, and you can also add floor plans. We have a built-in lead gen tool to help you build your list and build it fast. Now let me show you how to set up a virtual video tour in just minutes. Let's create a new project right now. The first thing is to upload a 360 image. Now you could record a 360 image with a 360 camera, or you can actually use your current phone camera. Works for both iPhone or Android phones. We have a step-by-step tutorial that covers that. Now proceed to create your tour. Beautiful. I could drag and drop hotspots anywhere I want. To add, for example, an info box, all I have to do is drag and drop it anywhere on the canvas. I can enter a label, edit the content, change the icon, and the icon color, or the size, and even add animation effects. Now let's preview the hotspot. Nice. Let's add an image hotspot. You can upload your own image or choose from a library of over 6 million royalty-free stock images, illustrations, transparent people images, and objects. Now let's proceed and add more hotspots. We could preview the tour by clicking here. To add a new scene, you can click here and upload another 360 image. You could click over here to switch between scenes. You can capture a particular part. You could drag the scenes to rearrange them. And when you have more than one scene in a tour, you could add a go-to hotspot in one scene that takes users over to another scene when it is clicked. Now let's add an e-commerce product to our tour. Enter a label, name of the product, product description, images. You can add multiple images and it will display as a slideshow. Normal price, promo price. You can enable the timer to create urgency and get your prospects to take action. There are two ways to set up products. You could connect your PayPal and Stripe and start collecting payments right inside the tour. Also, you could link the product to an existing store or checkout platform like Shopify as an example, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, PayKickstart, JVZoo, and any other platform, or even add your affiliate link so that when prospects click the buy button, it takes them to, your affiliate link, so you get paid. Now let me show you how the gamification and reward hotspot will boost your engagement. Let's drag and drop a reward hotspot. Let's say we're giving users 20% discount coupon right there if they open 5 hotspots. Now choose the type of reward as well. Here you set the condition that the visitor must meet before the reward is unlocked. Let's save and preview our tour. Once 5 hotspots are open, the reward pops up. Nice and clean. Plan to your tour here. Now let's explore the settings. In the general settings, you can enable scene thumbnails, auto spin, and watermark. You can enable background music for ambient sound with the option to upload your music or use one of our royalty-free musical backgrounds. Paste your Google Analytics here for detailed analytics. Add your Facebook pixel code here and create a custom audience for people who explored your tour and run ads targeted at them. This is where you enable the video chat. Once enabled, you can engage with prospects and answer any questions that they may have by talking to them in real time and closing the sale. On the share setting, you could set up how you want your tour to look on social media when shared. If you enable the sign-up model, users will be forced to submit their information before they can access your tour, and ultimately helping you grow your email leads, right? Leads are stored on Video Tours 360, and you can also send the leads directly to your marketing platform. Video Tours 360 integrates with all the major email autoresponders, webinar platforms, and marketing automation platforms. You can preview your tour and save when you are done. To install your tour, simply copy and paste this embed code on your websites, blogs, and sales pages. You could also use this direct link that opens in a browser. As you can see, everything is working perfectly with all different hotspots that we added, and it loads very fast. It's optimized to work very well on desktop, tablets, and mobile devices. You can also export the tour and give it to your clients to embed and host on their server. How cool is that? I bet you love it. Guess who else is going to love it? Your clients. Right now, virtual tours sell between $2,000 and $10,000 for just one tour. Imagine signing up 5 clients like one of our early adopters did in 1 month. And with cutting-edge features like live video calls, e-commerce, and gamification reviews, this makes it a no-brainer for realtors, hotels, car dealerships, schools, restaurants, malls, shops, boutiques, event centers, parks, gyms, spas, doctors, Airbnb, and many more. They will bite off your hand when you offer it to them. It's that good. To help you land clients fast as a bonus for the fast action takers, we are adding access to VR Agency Accelerator Training, a comprehensive step-by-step training on how to start, run, and scale a successful VR agency business from scratch. We covered everything you need to know to get clients and make your first $10,000. Early adopters will also get access to our searchable database of over 25 million businesses, including over 1 million restaurants that you could reach out to and sell your VR services. Everything has been made ridiculously simple. No tech skills are required. It's as easy as dragging and dropping. It really is. There are 2 support teams waiting for you. The tech support team is on standby in case you have any challenges using the Video Tours 360. There's also the business support team if you need help with setting up your agency and actually getting clients. Now, you will also be added to a one-on-one Skype group mentorship. This kind of Skype mentorship alone is worth 10 times whatever you will pay today. It's unique, it's special, it's actionable. You are covered by our 100% money-back guarantee. If you don't like the software for whatever reason or decide you want the money to go to buy that new shirt instead. On top of that, if you use this software for 60 days, work with our support team, and still do not get any results, you will get double your money back. Yes, double your money back if you don't get results in 60 days. You won't see this deal from any other marketer. We are 100% confident in what we are giving you today. It's absolutely fantastic. It's the software, the training, the accelerator, the business database, the Skype mentorship, and other bonuses. This literally makes it a risk for you not to try it. I can't wait to see you on the inside.